Okay, so I'm going to walk you through creating the graphic for this cosmetic case. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with text. And I am using the font Agent Q, which is a Cricut font. So everybody should have access to that. And so that's the one I'm using. And I am going to type the word my. And I'm just going to move that up here. And then I'm going to type the word stuff. But I want to show you that once I do that, the spacing on the U and F is kind of funny. And if I even go in and try to use my letter spacing to adjust it still looks funny. So I'm going to delete that, and I am going to start off by typing STU. I'll move that up here, and then I'm going to type the FF, and then I'm going to put those two together in what I think looks like a good amount of space. Okay. Now I'm going to draw an imaginary box over both of them, and I'm going to go up to align, and I'm going to tell it to align it at the bottom. Alright, so once I've done that, I am going to group those together. So it's one word now. So it's stuck together. And then I'm going to align this type up where I want it. And what I'm doing visually here is I'm aligning the T and the M together, and then I'm looking at this negative space right here to make sure I like the look of it. Alright, and that looks good to me. So now I'm going to do my imaginary box again. I selected it all, and I'm going to group it all together. The next thing I'm going to do is make a circle, and I'm going to make it big enough to put the words in it, and I'm just going to arrange it by sending it to the back. Okay, so now I'm looking to see how that looks. Okay, looks good to me. And here I'm just going to put it off center so you can see. Once again, I'm going to select all with my imaginary box, and then I'm going to align it by centering it horizontally, and then I'm going to center it vertically. And that looks good to me. I can go in and change the size of what I want if I want to, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to attach everything, and then this whole thing is going to cut, and I am going to use the Infusible ink sheets, and I am going to cut this out, and then I am going to weed out the words. So what I'll end up is with a circle of the Infusible ink, and then you'll see the fabric through the words.